Alright, so this is part 3 of the perfected utilitarian system. Section 3, Law, Legalism, and Judiciary. Now, historically speaking, law has been absolute. There is no method of interpreting it in any way which needs to be argued. No way in which someone who is convicted or charged can walk away without being convicted. That is not necessarily a good thing. However, the system that has been adopted in the modern day Western civilization is a system which essentially encourages dishonesty and manipulation alongside intensive research. Our system of legalism is basically a system wherein as long as one can convince a jury of 12 people of their argument, they can get off scot-free. And if someone has more money, they can afford someone who is better at arguing than someone who has less money. So this system does, in fact, encourage corruption. Judges get to be judges for as long as they live, which itself also encourages corruption. Now, what I propose is firstly creating a legal system where laws are as short as possible and as clear as possible. However, each law should require multiple scientific studies to back it up. There is no reason why we should have drug laws. There is no scientific reason why we should have laws prohibiting totally the usage of drugs for adults who are fully capable of making such decisions on their own. There is no scientific reason to have prostitution prohibited. There is no scientific reason to prohibit guns. So this would create a very clear system where everyone understands the law and everyone understands the reason for the law. Again, laws are chosen by the council, which sits directly beneath the central figure, the figurehead or the dictator. Please watch the last episode to have understanding on that. Now, the judicial system, I propose a combination of inquisitorial and adversarial, alongside an impermanent and very temporary meritocratic randomization. Now, what that is to say is that each court proceeding should be ruled over by 3 judges, which are chosen from the populace at random via their merit. Not because they went and chose to become a judge, but because they have the qualities necessary to preside over a case. 3 of them, 3 judges, and between 7 and 9 jurors. Now, the 3 judges have ultimate say, and the jurors have the, they really provide feedback to the judges. The accused would be able to defend themselves, and a prosecutor would be forced to argue against the accused, in very much the same way as we have right now in the United States. This would not be exactly the same, however, because the judges would have the duty of debating amongst themselves, amongst all 3 of them. Again, they are each randomly chosen, debating against themselves to determine whether or not the accused is actually guilty or not. This system which I have proposed, this system of legalism and judiciary which I have proposed, does seem to prohibit and prevent both corruption and manipulation and deception. As such, I do believe that this, in league with the other elements which I have proposed, creates the most optimal system and should be adopted. Thank you for watching. Peace.